Don't do this at home.
My gosh.
Take it from me, I have no idea what I'm doing.
That's comforting.
I haven't built fences like this, actually. Have I?
Not that I know of.
I mean, I've built privacy fences, goat fences, I haven't done. Or field fences I've never done. So, here we go. I think about a foot past that. Feet ought to do it. I think. And I'm gonna put the
This is red brand 4x4 sheep and goat fence.
go.
It's a puncture hole. Jeez, oh Pete.
Don't do this at home.
My gosh. Come on,
just
come in. Well, we gotta get you.
Just a little minor hole. No biggie.
This on top or bottom?
This on top.
Maybe go ahead and kind of straighten it out.
Alright, I gotta go down there and bolt that end on. I don't know how kosher this is, but what I did is I took 2 strands loose. In other words, 2 of these vertical lines, used my extra line to go around and wrap it to the fence. Like I said, I don't know if that's the way you do it, but that's the way I did it. And I'm going to do the same thing at the other end. The reason we didn't go all the way past this is it's just Joe and I, and when you got 330 feet, it's just heavy. Anyway, these are called red snapper, and basically what you do is you go around the T-post and then use some pliers. I bought this tool. I don't even know if it's going to work, but if not, I'll use pliers on it. But anyway, that's what we're doing. You can buy a fizz puller for maybe 35, 50 bucks, somewhere in there. I just took a 1x6 or 2x6, run a couple bolts on it. I had this old piece of a chain here, bolted it together. There was 2 pieces of it, and then put a nut on each side of this. I didn't even have enough washers to really do the whole thing. So I bolt this together, run it through the wire there, and bolt it together. I just got this tie strap. We're going to go about 50% of the way here, so about 50 feet, and then we'll I'll decide what I want to do down there. I may want to put a gate anyway. Or wasted about 8 inches here. Hear that? Breakfast is served.
One of them giant eggs, probably.
Yeah, make sure nothing's...
Pull up on it a little.
Sure, go look. Sure, go look.
Are you?
Go look. Go look. Big old ant crawling on you, there on your shirt.
Crawling an ant. You need your pliers. Okay, that's going to do it for this one, everybody. We have one of our twin pastures fenced, and part of the other one we need more fencing, and we don't really want to go to the store right now. So plus we have to build some gates, but at least we can bring the goats home and they'll have one pasture to hang out in. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate it.
Catch you later.
We'll catch you later.